Okay, Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. Today is the occasion I will give breaking news. I will give 15 biggest natural disaster in history. Stories behind in this question. Nature is both beautiful and powerful. Through history, we haven't seen how this power can change everything an instant. Let's take a closer look at the biggest 15 biggest natural disasters ever recorded with more complete detail on their impact. First, the Shanxi earthquake in 1556 in January 23. The location in Shanxi province, China. This earthquake is in around 8.0 magnitude. The impact, this was the deadliest earthquake in history, killing around 100 people. It caused massive landslide, collapsed the cliff where thousands live, and flattened an area of 840 square kilometers. Entire cities were destroyed, and the shape of some mountains even changed. Second, the the Great China Flu in 19, 1931, July, no, in July and July until November. The location in Yangtze, Huai, and Yellow Rivers in China, same like before. The impact, this was the deadliest natural disaster of the 20th century. The flood was caused by continuous heavy rain and cyclones. Around 3.7 million people died. The damage was severe, with millions losing their homes and with despair hungry following the disaster. The Yellow River flood. This in September 1887, location in Henan province, Sam in China. The impact after the Yellow River overload, the water convert on area of one 113 113,000 130,000 square kilometer, around 900 and 900,000 or until 2 million people died. Thousands of villages were submerged, and hunger and disease fire after the flood water went down. The Bohla Island, November in 12, 1970, the location in East Pakistan or now is the Bangladesh. The impact, this one of the deadliest clones ever recorded. When speed reached 205 kilometers per hour, the cyclones create a tidal wave that was 10-meter high, flooding many islands and villages. Around 500,000 people died, mostly from drowning. The Tangshan earthquake in July in 28, 1576, location in Tangshan, China. This uh, the the magnitude is 7.8. The impact is the earthquake happened in the morning while most people were still asleep. The city of Tangshan was completely destroyed less than a minute. The official death toll was 242,000, but some believe the real number cloud as high as six 655,000 people. Yeah, that is the big uh, number. Yeah, the Indian Ocean tsunami in 2024, 2004, in the December 26. The location is off the coast of Sumatra in Indonesia. Yeah, and there the magnitude is until 9.1. That's the big, maybe the biggest earthquake in Sumatra. The impact, this was one of the strongest underwater earthquake. Yeah, that's it's underwater. Earthquake is create a giant tsunami that's hit for 14 countries. Yeah, 14 countries from Indonesia to Africa. More than 230,000 people die, with Indonesia being the country most affected. That's so big. No? You can that can make a tsunami until 14 country get the impact. And then 7, the Yangtze River flood. In summer 1954 in Yangtze River in China. The impact is extremely heavy monsoon rains for several months caused the river to overflow. The flood submerged thousands of square kilometers of farm, farmland and killed around 30,000 people. Yeah, same this from river goes Perlu. And 8, the 8 is the Haiti earthquake. In 2010, in January 12, the location is near Port au Prince in Haiti. The magnitude the magnitude is 7.0. The impact because Haiti didn't not have buildings that could withstand earthquake. The quake caused a lot of destruction of the president's place, hospitals, and school all collapsed. The, the disaster killed between 220,000 and 316 people, 360,000 people, and left millions homeless. That's the big number, bro, for the homeless. And 9, the eruption of Mount Vesuvius in August 24 in 798. Location is Pompeii and Herculaneum in Roman Empire. Oh, this in already so long. The back is the eruption was very sudden and powerful. Volcanic as hot gas and rocks covered these in ancient cities in just a few hours, freezing the life of their people. Though the exact number of victims is unknown. Thousands of people died. This 10, maybe this the last because the time is not enough. The eruption of Mount Krakatau. Eh, Krakatau. Yeah. In August 26 until 27, 1883, location in Sunda Strait in Indonesia. Yeah, the impact is the explosion of this volcano was so loud it could be heard thousands of kilometers away. The eruption created a 30, 30-meter high tsunami that destroyed 165 coastal villages. More than 36 people, 36,000 people died from the eruption and the tsunami. Maybe that's all for me. Sorry for me any mistake or wrong word in this video. I hope you can still safety in anywhere because sometimes you can directly sometimes you can get sibah, yeah, so stay still safety, yeah. As I say, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.